Birds flying high.
Have you ever dreamed of a paradise that has it all? Let's dive into why Sri Lanka should be your next bucket list spot.
You're the devil in disguise.
From breathtaking ancient ruins to wild safaris, Sri Lanka's rich history and vibrant wildlife are waiting to amaze you.
You're my spicy margarita, babe. Burn my
Food lovers, get ready. Dive into delicious street food that bursts with flavors.
straight. Turn me on, make me say.
And the best part, the warm, welcoming people and serene beaches that offer the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle.
So won't you tell me that you love me? Hurry up and
Ready for an adventure? Discover Sri Lanka and let it surprise you.
to stay on.